Sir, I have connected that on build systems and process, but here I have one doubt. Um, how to build that systems and process? Because if I move to any business to get more money and the parents give left and right, right? They didn't accept. That is main
Okay,
problem.
correct,
Already I
correct.
have asked that one.
Need not to do business immediately. What I did is I worked in I was working in a software company. Parallelly, I started this training center. Parallelly, I started this training center. I showed the growth in my business. Then, after 5 years, I left that job and I settled full time here only. Venkatramana. Start very slowly. Just you have some free time daily, 2 hours, 3 hours, like you have arrange an assistant. That person is going to take care. Just eye level, you require to concentrate. Slowly involve more and more. 1 or 2 years, 3 years, 4 years down the line, that one is going to grow. Then happily, here you can show the big benefit and then you can leave. My father told one time, my father told one time, I want to start my own training center in institute like. Not accepted. Not accepted. Happily you are doing software job. Saturday, Sunday you are taking classes. What is the need? What is the need of starting your own training center? It's not that much easy. Don't do that. Don't take that risk. Like don't take that risk. This is the statement my father used. My mother told, Ray is interested to do some extra activity. Why you are stopping? Like my mother asked, my father gave a big slap to my mother. I remember that day. I remember my father and mother fighted just regarding my decision. Then I told, I'm going to start training center. Whether you are accepted or not accepted, I won't leave that software job. Don't worry. Okay. Then what happened is I started 6 months, 1 year, I struggled like anything. But in the second year, I hope, second year or third year, in a single month, 15 lakhs I generated from the sessions. My software job, 70,000 is the salary. In a single month, I got 15 lakhs generated from this training. Then I called my father. Father, please come. 15 lakhs got money is there. Can you please take? Like my father came every month there, every 2 months. He's coming, taking the money and doing some activity at his native place. Then he told, Hey Durga, what a wonderful activity you did by starting this training center. Excellent, excellent. Like you did wonderful. My father told. Venkatramana, are you in the position to understand?
Yeah, got it, sir. Understood.
Until getting clarity, I didn't leave that job and I'm doing parallelly. Once I got full grip, then only I left that. Next, because your parents are have very much affection on you. Your parents, if you are going to struggle, they are going to worry like anything. Okay, why you have to take that risk? Like that's why the parents are not going to be accepted. So without your, I'm not going to face any problems. I won't leave this job. This job is always there. Just a parallelly, a small part time. There, my involvement also not there. Just my passion, my interest. I'm going to start like you can start at very small level. Slowly upgrade, 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 upgrade. At certain point, this one is going to generate more money than your job. Once you got that saturation point, then leave that and full time happily you can spend it here. What I did. Venkatramana, is it clear?
Yes, sir. It was clear.